I told you. I told you, Champs 22 is over. All of that rivalry between the girls is over. Now, what you're gonna see today on display is a massacre of sprinting and unity under the banner of Jamaica. It's going to be spectacular. All right, the race is about to begin. All right, so we see Jamaica is in lane 5, starting with Serena Cole. All right.
Set.
And they're off. Oh my gosh, Serena Cole is stepping with fire. It's like somebody put Scotch bonnet pepper in her shoes. Why they doing it? I know. Oh, she's handed over to Tina Clinton, the world under 20 champion, the champs champion, and she's blazing. She's flying. Look at her. It's like to drink a 6-pack of Malta. She hands over to Brianna Lister. I don't believe Brianna Lister's feet are touching the ground. She's flying. She's like a Concorde. I know none of you going to understand that, but the Concorde is a very fast plane that used to fly back in the day. All right, she's passing. Oh no, she's passing to Tia Clinton, and Tia Clinton is high stepping. Look at Tia Clinton. Who is that? Who is that? Is that somebody running past Tia Clinton? No. I don't believe that is Mr. Shana Pinnock. She's putting down a real race. She's running down the stands. Look at her. She's run past Tina Clinton. Oh my God, she has beat her to the finish line. It's Mr. Shana Pinnock that has won the race and won the hearts of Carifta. This is the feel-good moment of Carifta. Oh my God, this is a wonderful Mother's Day gift for Mr. Shana Pinnock, and she has won and she has broken the record too. Oh, everybody's hugging Serena and Brianna are hugging. Oh my God, this is the greatest moment of Carifta history. Look at this.